Artificial intelligence, or quoted by Jack Ma, Alibaba Intelligence, is a great tool. It's meant to replace humans for menial tasks, and the good news is that there are people paying for these tasks to be done. Now, keep in mind that Chat GPT isn't perfect and it's a work in progress, but given the right input, it's possible to make a quick buck using the tool. The best thing about this model is you don't have to invest a penny. Here are 3 ways you can make money using Chat GPT, but there's a catch. The more views this video gets, the competition grows, so hurry up. Number 1, we have Amazon affiliate. Now for this, what we're gonna do is start an online business through affiliate marketing and display advertising. Well, this can be a lucrative way to earn a decent amount of money. Firstly, what we're gonna do is create a website. This might sound overwhelming, but don't worry, it's easier than you might think. There are a lot of website builders available online that requires virtually no coding knowledge, making it easy for anyone to create a website. But you do have to work, and so when you're creating a website, it's important to have a focus, because jack of all trades is ace to none. This allows you to attract a specific audience, and also you won't have trouble, making it easier to generate content that appeals to them. Fitness, for example, is trendy, and if you're interested in fitness and wellness, you can create a website centered around that topic or niche. Now that you have your website, you can use the elephant in the room, Chat GPT, to make your content for your site. You can basically ask anything you want, but a keyword research will help you rank high on the search bar. Chat GPT will then provide you with popular products related to your niche and have it write articles about them. It's important to ensure and check the content is high quality and engaging to attract clicks and ultimately lead to sales, and as I said, it's a work in progress, so you have to put in effort too. Now to monetize your website, create an Amazon affiliate account. This allows you to earn a commission on any sales made through your unique referral link. When you're on Amazon, you'll see a gray bar at the top that allows you to copy a link for a specific product. When someone clicks on your link, makes a purchase, you'll earn a commission. But a quick disclaimer, it's important to note that not everyone who visits your website will make a purchase. To earn additional income, you can utilize display advertising networks based on the number of views or clicks on the ads. This is a great way to earn passive income from your website. Starting an online business through affiliate marketing and display advertising can be a profitable way to earn income. By creating a website, generating high-quality content through Chat GPT, and utilizing affiliate marketing and display advertising networks, you can build a successful business and earn passive income. But the biggest challenges in e-commerce is knowing what to sell. Many people get stuck on trying to invent or innovate a new product ideas instead of focusing on what's already selling well in the market. By using Chat GPT's knowledge, the author claims that they can quickly and easily identify profitable products and niches. Chat GPT can also help you find the highest selling items in electronics and then do a bit more research on the product using tools like Zik Analytics to further understand the profitability of all those products. By doing this research, you'll be able to identify a specific product, a charging cable, which had a high sell-through rate and a 100% successful listing rate on eBay. The idea is to find products that people are already paying for and then offer them at a better value or with a unique selling proposition. By doing this, the author claims that you can build a profitable e-commerce business without having to invest a lot of time or money in developing new products or niches. Now, let me tell you about ClickBank. ClickBank affiliate marketing is a business model where you promote other people's products on ClickBank and earn a commission for each sale you make. TikTok is a social platform that allows you to create short-form videos and share them with a large audience. By combining these two, you can leverage the power of TikTok to promote ClickBank products and earn commissions. To get started with the business model, you need to first sign up for a ClickBank account and find products that are popular and have a high commission rate. Once you've found a product to promote, you can create a TikTok account and start creating videos that promote the product. You can use creative ways to showcase the product and its benefits, such as creating a demo video or a how-to video. To make money with this business model, you need to include your unique ClickBank affiliate link in the description of the TikTok video. When someone clicks on the link and purchases the product, you can earn a commission. The great thing about this business model is that it's highly scalable. You can create multiple TikTok accounts and promote different products, or you can create multiple videos promoting the same product. As you gain more followers on TikTok, your videos will reach a larger audience and you can earn more commissions. However, it is important to note that TikTok is a highly competitive platform and you need to create high-quality videos that stand out from the crowd. You also need to be consistent with your content creation and engage with your followers to build a loyal audience. But these are slow and it takes time for you to gain traffic, and most people would not really click on the links, but we do also have a fast way, and that's an ebook. Creating an ebook or a guide that provides valuable information related to a product's niche and offers a subtle recommendation to check out the product. To create an ebook, you can use AI language models such as Chat GPT, which can generate high-quality content based on user input. You can provide Chat GPT with a brief outline of your ebook and a few topic ideas, and the model will generate paragraphs of text that you can edit and refine as per your needs. For instance, let's do health and fitness again. If you're promoting a health product that helps people lose weight, you can create an ebook titled The Ultimate Guide to Sustainable Weight Loss and provide insights on healthy eating habits, exercise routines, and lifestyle changes. You can also mention the product in the ebook and provide an affiliate link to the sales page. To make your ebook more visually appealing, you can use a free design tool such as Canva to create images that you can use to customize to create a professional looking ebook cover in just a few minutes. Once your ebook is ready, you can create a landing page using a free website builder such as Aweber or MailChimp, which allows you to collect email addresses from visitors and following them up with through email marketing. Your landing page should have a clear and compelling headline that grabs the reader's attention, a brief brief description of the ebook's content and benefits, and a form that collects the visitor's name and email address. You can also include social proof such as testimonials from satisfied customers to build trust and credibility. To drive traffic to your landing page, you can use various free tools and strategies such as social media marketing, content marketing, and search engine optimization. For instance, you can create a Facebook page or a Twitter account that promotes your ebook and provides value to your followers by sharing relevant content and tips. You can also create blog posts or articles that are related to your ebook's niche and include a call to action (CTA) at the end that leads readers to your landing page. Additionally, you can optimize your website or blog for SEO by using keywords and meta tags that attract organic traffic from search engines. Once you have a list of subscribers who've opted to receive your emails, you can start promoting the ClickBank product through email marketing. It's crucial to craft persuasive and engaging copy that provides value to the reader and encourages them to take action. One of the benefits of affiliate marketing is that it can be done with minimal investment. Unlike traditional business models, there's no need to purchase inventory or hire employees. All that is needed is a computer and an internet connection and some free tools. Now, we're going to create an ebook using an AI language model called Chat GPT. This is just one example of how technology can be used to streamline the affiliate marketing process. Other tools include free website builders, email marketing software, and social media platforms. Again, one of the challenges of affiliate marketing is driving traffic to the landing page. Even if the product being promoted is high quality and has a high conversion rate, if no one sees the landing page, there will be no sales. The creator of the tutorial video suggests using free methods such as content creation to drive traffic to the landing page. Content creation can be a great way to make money. It can have many forms such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, and social media posts. The key is to create content that is relevant and valuable to the target audience. For example, if the product being promoted is a weight loss supplement, the content could focus on healthy eating habits, exercise tips, and success stories from other users of the product. Another way to drive traffic is through search engine optimization, SEO. SEO is the process of optimizing a website or landing page to rank higher in search engine results pages, SERPs. This is important because the higher a page ranks in the SERPs, the more likely it is to be seen by potential customers. SEO involves a variety of strategies including keyword research, on-page optimization, and backlink building. The creator of the tutorial video suggests using free tools such as Google Keyword Planner and Moz Link Explorer to perform keyword research and identify high-authority websites to target for backlinks. Once traffic is coming to the page, the next step is to convert visitors into subscribers and customers. The creator of the tutorial video suggests using persuasive copywriting to keep subscribers interested and encourage them to click on the affiliate link and make a purchase. Copywriting involves writing copy that is compelling, persuasive, and relevant to the target audience. It's important to focus on the benefits of the product being promoted rather than just the features. For example, instead of saying the weight loss supplement contains 1,000 milligrams of Garcinia cambogia, it would be more effective to say lose weight quickly and safely with this powerful supplement containing 1,000 milligrams of Garcinia cambogia. If you haven't tried them, just make sure to be consistent. Good luck.
Meta descriptions, title and heading optimization, alt text, generating so many new content ideas, and then also using that in combination with more analytical tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Neil Patel's Uber Suggest. This is a chock full video. It has so much value that you are going to get to improve your SEO.